Give up. Resistance is futile.
Speaker Titan. I understand your friend is dead because of us. I understand we forced your hand, made you do things you never wanted to do. We've all lost something we can never replace, but accepting it and using it to prevent others from suffering the same fate, that's power. That's how you redeem yourself. Fly far away from this place. Tell your alliance, if total cooperation fails, then this world as we know it is done for. Bring it on, Skibidi.